Here's the horn, old. Got the key. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Okay, to replace the horn, it's underneath the airbox. So pretty much you gotta take it all apart as if you're changing your air filter. So pretty much you gotta take your air tube out, take the air filter out. If you have a K&N air filter like me, you might as well clean it. As for this cover right here, the MAF is still connected, so I will just bring it over here. The cable's long enough, just rest it on top of there. Now holding this side on, there's two 10 millimeter bolts, and down there is a torque screw. It's a T27. So let's go ahead and take that out. So in the horn right here, there's a little bolt in the middle. It's a 10 millimeter as well. Take it off. The screw is fixed on there. It will not come off. Don't try taking it off. So once that's off, go ahead in the middle. Where's my ratchet? I just had that thing. Well, whatever. But you get your ratchet in the middle as well. There's a, oh, here it is. It's right here. It's a 10 millimeter. Go ahead and loosen it. Let's take it off. I know it's a little cramped in here, a little dirty. But once that's off, it should come right off. I still haven't unplugged the connector here. I'm gonna do that as soon as I get the bolt off. Pull it out, get the whole nasty thing out, put the new horn in, plug it in, screw it in, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so you might have a better option on how to pull the plug out, but for me, there's a little clip here. So you can see it. It's probably all jammed up. I'll put a little circle on it. The little black thing on top here. I pushed it with a tiny screwdriver. I just pushed it, and I just pretty much I felt it kind of like unclip, I guess, and I just pulled the heck out of it and it came off. So here's the old horn. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one on. So how to install the new horn. Notice right here, there's a little round thing right here, right? So it might be easier for you to go underneath the car maybe, but I have the engine splash shield installed. I don't feel like taking that thing off, so I'm just doing it right here. So pretty much you just gotta find a way in. If you kind of feel your finger around it, or take a picture or whatever, it's a big old round hole, and then it turns into a thinner slide. You kind of have to like slide it in, I guess. So go ahead and find it. That's a face downwards like this. There it is. And I just slide it in place. So yeah, it's gonna be jiggling, but it won't fall off. So once you do that, go ahead and get your new bolt and your 10 millimeter ratchet. Hold this thing up. Go ahead. There we go. Make sure this thing's on tight. Here we go. Yeah. No, wait. I always forget. Just go ahead and tighten it. Make sure this thing don't turn that much, because it will as you're tightening it, as you can see here. It's kind of a deep bolt, so this might take a minute. Make sure it's on there nice and tight, not too tight. Go ahead, get your clip, put it in. So once the horn's on, go ahead and reassemble the airbox, and then put back your air filter and then your air tube, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. So if you liked the video, remember to give it a like, comment, and maybe subscribe, because I will make more videos on this car eventually.